Hello guys, I was on the market for a budget backpack for quite some time now, and I think I found the perfect backpack for my needs. It's not actually a backpack, it's more of a sling pack, but let's dig into it and show you what I found. It's a sling backpack from the company K&F Concept. It's some of you are quite familiar with the company. They make some really nice and quality photo accessories. I'm using a few of their filters for my camera, and I also have some adapters for my lenses, and I think they're doing a really nice job with their quality. Let's see the backpack itself. Let's do a bit of an overview. First start with the packaging that comes. Nothing there was no box, there was nothing. It came just like that. It was just in a plastic envelope. That's it. Here we have a list of what's included in the backpack itself, two big dividers, three small dividers, and one strap. That's it. Here we have the list of possible configurations, how you can arrange the backpack, and a bit of an overview what you can fit inside. You'll see in a bit, but they managed to fit quite more than what's shown in here. You just need to use your imagination and move things around. And of course, there's nothing more here other than the size. It's 10 liters capacity, which is quite okay for the package it comes in for the size. I've seen other 10 liters backpacks that are an actual backpacks with two straps on the back. But this is with a sling, which is actually very nice and comfortable for me to wear. I'll show you in a bit. It weighs 0.5 kilos, made in China, of course, and it's waterproof. It's from this nylon material which repels water, and I've tested it, and I went out on a rainy day and nothing was wet. There's nothing more on this, so we can throw that aside. And I've already have all of my stuff in here because I wanted you to see how much stuff I was able to fit. First, a bit of an overview. This is the front pocket, the big pocket where you store all your photo gear, and it comes with two very nice zippers. As you can see, they have these pull tabs, or then you have this strap here, which is for security. That means that no one will be able to unzip your bag and steal your stuff while you're on a metro, on a busy place somewhere, or you get the point. No one can open this. And if you just unhook this from both sides, now you have full access and you can open the entire front pocket. Also, when the strap is like that, you can open only this partition of the backpack for easy access to your camera. On the front side of the backpack, you have one more pocket, which is this one right here. Same nice quality zipper. And it can fit many stuff. What I have in here is two backpack batteries for my camera and my external mic from Holy Land. And as you can see, there's room left, so I can fit a charger inside, or some filters if I want, or some personal items. But yeah, there's some space left. I need to figure what to do with it. On the right side, you have this pocket, which you can use for a water bottle, of course. But what I'm doing in here is just I'm sliding in my tripod, and it fits perfectly. It's not going anywhere. It fits really well inside. And I believe that the purpose for this pocket, except for a water bottle, is also to put a tripod in. Depends on your usage, but I like to carry a tripod when I travel around. On the back, you have nothing. It's just this mesh type of bag from this breathable material, so when you get sweat or if it's really hot outside, first, you're not going to be that sweaty. Of course, you're going to sweat, but it's not going to be that bad when this is rubbing on your back. And it's this non-absorbent material that's not going to absorb your sweat. Then we have this piece right here, which fits really snug on your waist. So it makes it a bit comfortable to wear, especially if the backpack gets heavy. Of course, we have the main strap of the backpack, which is detachable. You can quickly detach it and throw the backpack off. You have another security strap which goes from the right side to the left side, and it's for additional peace of mind and security that no one will be able to pull your backpack. Also, in my testing, it seems that it provides a bit more stability, so the backpack doesn't move around on your back, and when it's really heavy, it's just a bit of extra support for you to carry the weight. Now let's open the main compartment and see how many things I was able to fit inside. So as you can see, it's quite packed in here. I have a spare battery for my drone. I carry this big ass Mavic Air 2S, and as you can see, it fits right here in this spot. I'm using the two big dividers. I'm not using none of the small ones. So I have my drone with an extra battery always with me. I have the drone remote controller sitting on the bottom of the backpack, as you can see. Then I have my main camera always with me, the Nikon ZFC. As you can see, I managed to squeeze it inside with the lens mounted. This is the kit lens, the 1650 mils that comes in the box. And then I have one additional lens with the Nikon f2.z adapter mounted, and as you can see, it fits in the same place as the camera. This is in general, I was able to fit all the gear that I use on a daily basis when I travel, which is my drone, my camera, my mic. And if I want to compromise, I can get the mic out and even fit the DJI Osmo Action 4 here in this compartment. And I'll have the ultimate vlogging, filming, and shooting setup in this small package, where I can carry always. It's not going to be uncomfortable for me to wear. And of course, I really like the safety feature of the main compartment. On the inside, where we have it open, we have another mesh pocket right here, which I use to fit some ND filters for my Air 2S and some spare stuff for the drone as well, like spare propellers, spare cables, and so on. Let me quickly put everything back inside just to see how easy it fits, because it's not like I'm squeezing something or the drone just booted itself up. Why not? Come on, man. Just go off. Thank you. And that's it. It took me like 10 seconds to get everything inside. I'm using this strap so I can provide some tension between the compartments, not the departments, the compartments, so everything can be snug inside. I don't want things moving back and forth. And that's basically the backpack in a nutshell. If you have any questions, if you want to see some pictures how it's actually sitting on my back, you can always type in the comments, ask for any additional information you might need, and I'll respond. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.